Okay, this proves I won my lawsuit against the North Carolina Industrial Commission, NC State University, North Carolina State University Police Department, Wake County Detention Center. I sent this email to North Carolina Assistant Attorney General Melissa Walker on May 30th, 2021, as you can see. And I sent it to the North Carolina Industrial Commission and North Carolina Industrial Commission commissioners and Robert J. Harris of the North Carolina Industrial Commission. He's a senior deputy. This is what I said. I said, I'd also like to note that North Carolina State University Police Department, NCSU PD Officer Richard Graham, Wake County Detention Center cannot be represented or provided defense by the state or by you or the Attorney General due to the law below. So this is me notifying them how I won by these general statutes. Okay, this is how I won. This is one of them. 2018 North Carolina General Statutes, Chapter 143, State Departments, Institutions, and Commissions, Article 31A, Defense of State Employees, Medical Contractors, and Local Sanitarians, 143-300.4- Grounds for Refusal of Defense. Okay, A. The state shall refuse to provide for the defense of a civil or criminal action or proceeding brought against any employee or former employee if the state determines that 1. The act or omission was not within the scope and course of his employment as a state employee. 2. The employee or former employee acted or failed to act because of actual fraud, corruption, or actual malice on his part. Now, both of these things were performed by North Carolina State Police Department officers Richard Graham and Daniel Kahagaias. They was not within the scope and course of their employment. They was not acting within the scope of their work. And then 2, they acted and failed to act because of actual fraud, corruption, and actual malice. Now, they did these things. How they did them was because over the intercom on the radio, NCSU PD officer told him I was not trespassing to release me from questioning. I was fine. So I wanted to leave off North Carolina State University campus, but he said no. Even though you're not trespassing, I'm gonna write you up anyway. And I said, listen, man, I'm uncomfortable. They didn't. I just heard on the intercom that they told you that I can leave now. So that's what I want to do. But he had my card. So he held onto my card for a long time, and eventually he held it out to me, and I grabbed my card. And as soon as I grabbed my card, this dude attacked me. I was like, yo, chill out. He pushed me. I was like, yo, chill out. And then they ran up on me and grabbed me. And then they got me down on the ground, whatever. I got down on the ground. I was like, get down there. I get down there. And they started beating me and shit while I was on the ground. I was like, what the fuck y'all doing? I ain't do shit. So anyway, that's how they committed these crimes against me. And this proves that the state of North Carolina and the courts, the North Carolina Industrial Commission and North Carolina Assistant Attorney General Melissa Walker cannot provide in defense, which means I won my lawsuit. Okay, based off these general statutes. Listen what I told him. I said the employee was not within the scope and the employee acted and failed to act because of actual fraud, corruption, and actual malice on their part. The following actions below were not within the scope: actual fraud, corruption, actual malice on their part, false imprisonment, false arrest, false charge, slander, assault, and police brutality causing injuries to my brain temporal area, theft and damage of personal and intellectual fine art, property, bank fraud, robbery, embezzlement, perjury, grand larceny. This applies to North Carolina State University Police Department and its officers Richard Graham and Daniel Kahagaias, North Carolina State University, Wake County Detention Center. I expect for this statute to come into effect immediately. Sincerely, Mr. Shamee Dozier. Now, I told him this in May 2021. So I was telling them this because they wanted to meet with me on July 28, 2021, which is the video conference. If you type in Shamee Dozier, July 28, 2021, I recorded the video conference. I told them it was unnecessary for us to have a video conference because I had just proved I won my lawsuit by these general statutes. Now, this is just one general statutes. Okay, so they were supposed to pay me this money, $383 billion, $1 trillion, $999 trillion, and 999 Google Plus dollars and counting before the date of July 28, 2021. They were supposed to pay me all these billions and trillions of dollars. It's the law. I won fair and square. Nobody taught me how to beat North Carolina State University or none of these people. And then I came to find out that these people were behind kidnapping my sister and brother, Sasha and Emmanuel Dozier, back in the day. That's why he was acting funny towards me. Plus, I had my artworks and my raps and albums, and people been stealing that, like Drake, Lil Wayne, Birdman, Migos, and all them, The Weeknd, Young Thug, all them been stealing my raps. 21 Savage and stuff. That's why they kept arresting me, so they could steal my raps and my bank information. Okay, now this happened. I was illegally arrested by North Carolina State University Police Department officer on December 5th, 2017. Now, Richard Graham is related to Drake. He got to be, because his last name is Graham too. Drake, the rapper from Canada, his full name is Aubrey Drake Graham. It's a connection. And I went to jail and I heard Drake. He's like, don't bring my name up. I was like, I know they want Drake talking. But I thought I was tripping, but I wasn't tripping. They been in on it the whole time. But guess what? I came out on top on they whack ass. I beat them. They did all that bullshit, all them celebrities, Joseph Biden, Kim Kardashian, Floyd Mayweather, all them. I beat them. Jay-Z. They jealous of me. They've been jealous of me for a long time. And this is what I sent to her on June 1st, 2021. I said, there shouldn't be a hearing because I have already won the case legally by North Carolina law. I already won this case, and it will save the state of North Carolina money and expenses, such as court costs and etc. We move forward with settlement, award, reward properly, and do not do a hearing to be in everyone's best interest. I know my stuff. I'm the best attorney. So now I won by the North Carolina General Statutes, and then later on in July 21st, 2021, July 22nd, 2021, I became the first owner of time, which makes me owner of the past, present, and future, everywhere, everything, forever. So I won by my deeds too. But I won the case even before I became owner of time, the first owner of time. And nobody can use my concepts. Nobody can use my legal theories. Nobody can use this to win money. This is for me to win money. This message for the Department of Justice to indict North Carolina Assistant Attorney General Melissa Walker, Police Officer Richard Graham, North Carolina State University, the Attorney General of North Carolina, the entire North Carolina Industrial Commission. So they have not paid me my money. Listen, this was in 2021. They were supposed to pay me these billions and trillions in Google Plus dollars. They still had not paid me that money. Plus, they got to pay me the insurance money. They ain't paid me none of that. And it's now, today is August 5th, 2023. That was 2 years ago. I proved I won against these people. I told y'all I'm the best attorney to ever do it. Nobody taught me how to win this case. No punk ass, whack ass attorney from Raleigh or anywhere, North Carolina, taught me how to win. I taught myself. I don't even fuck with these people out here. These people responsible for that doing damage to my family, and we ain't did nothing to them. So fuck everybody in North Carolina, Wake County, Durham County, Franklin County, Granville County, Warren County, Vance County, Orange County. All y'all. Shit, it's fuck me, it's fuck you too. You don't like me, I don't like you too. But guess what, bitch? I won my lawsuit, so y'all gotta pay me all my money. All of it. You gotta pay me all my money. And you gotta do what I say, because I'm the first owner of time, and it makes me owner of everything. So I got the best of both worlds. Whoop, there it is. Department of Justice, get this done. Get these people indicted. They've been corruptly concealing a federal document, making false representations in court, all that. Trump been helping them too. Donald Trump helped them too. It's a wrap for them. I'm sending this in today for everybody to see. This is part 1.